It was a very Disney Christmas in the Carousel Douglas household. Come along and check out the awesome things our friends and family gave us for Christmas. One of the first things I'd like to talk about today is that we are so happy to have you here along with us. Over a year ago, when I started this channel, I never thought that I would be nearing 4,000 watch hours. And I would also have videos with thousands of views on them. Thank you very much for being such an amazing family to me as I spread my Disney knowledge and my Disney fun with you and with Michelle. We're so glad to have you along with us on this journey. Now, today, I just want to show you some pretty awesome stuff that we were given by friends and family that had Disney in it. And apparently, there's a little bit of a theme. I'll get to that in a second. One of the first things I'd like to show you is this awesome Chippendale ornament that's now upon our tree. I absolutely love Chippendale, and being able to have them in an ornament on my tree that is just so awesome. I love it. And as I will point out with the theme for Chippendale, I definitely have some other items too. Now, one of the first items that I received was from my good friends Keriann and Mark. And we'll talk a little bit more about how these got here in the first place, which is kind of funny later on when I show you something else. But I received the EARidescent Chippendale in their little tiny outfits. They came with the 50th anniversary card on them for Chippendale, and these little vests are just so cute, and their feet have the 50th logo on it. Hopefully you can see that. But just awesome. Look at the outfits from the back and the front. I love Chippendale. They're currently attached at the hand. I may not separate them. I just really like these. I really like this kind of stuffed plush. They're just so awesome. A couple of things that my wife received for Christmas that are Disney themed is this phone case with Ariel on it. I think that that's a really awesome design, and it goes with her Samsung phone, which is really hard to find is good Disney cases for Samsung phones. So we're really glad that she was able to find this awesome Ariel. First, I want to show you these awesome ears that Keriann and Mark got for us. Now, Mark, if you do not know, is my friend who appeared in the Crystal Palace Buffet video when we did a review of that. You should check that one out. It's very popular. This is a pair of the EARidescent ears from Disney's collection. Now, the awesome part is they light up. And they have this really cool USB charger on the back, so you don't have to worry about batteries or bulky headbands. What a great idea from Disney to have a battery-operated, rechargeable ears. These are something that I got from Michelle, and my friends Keriann and Mark sent them to us. And then they hid Chippendale in the bottom of the box. Didn't know they were there. Michelle pulls these ears out and then goes, "Hey, look what else is in the box. I'm pretty sure this is for you." So Keriann and Mark, thanks for being awesome. That was a nice little gift. You snuck one in when I was trying to sneak one in on Michelle. So thank you. Another thing that I got is this. I got the 50th anniversary Lego Disney Castle. I'm very excited about this because I'm gonna actually build this live on the stream. I've never done a real live stream before. I did some tests early on in the channel. They didn't have anybody watching them. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to advertise the video so that I get people watching me while I build this. And it'll probably be on a Friday. Keep your eyes on the channel for it. Going along with the Disney theme, I actually got this package. And in this package goes along actually with that castle that's back behind me. That's actually the Main Street Railroad station that was built from one of the kits from Lego. And one of my friends got me this package from Brick Loot. Now, this package from Brick Loot is a way to light up the castle. Now, I'm gonna put the official Brick Loot photo of it up because I'm also gonna build this and put it on the channel, but it's a pretty cool thing. You can add it to the train too. Not only do you have that built back there with lights on it, but the train will also have lights added to it. And the really awesome thing is the designer of these Brick Loot lights is this kid right here. And this kid has a pretty awesome story. You should check out the channel for it. So this kid comes up with these designs and sends everything out and creates the instructions that you can get online. All of the items from Brick Loot are kid invented. Check out his story. It's pretty awesome. Now we're gonna get into the theme that we got this year, apparently. Apparently, our friends, without talking to each other, all got together and started talking about that we needed, apparently, to cook more Disney food. So we got Disney pot holders, Disney oven mitts, and we have a matching set of these. And we also got, along with that, we got this Disney apron that matches the pot holders. So we got a really cool, interesting thing about cooking. And that's not all. We also got this cookbook, which is the unofficial Disney Parks cookbook. It has everything including Dole Whip in it. So we're very excited about being able to make our own Dole Whip at home. That's gonna be a lot of fun. We also got this delicious Disney cookbook, the Fresh Edition. It's got a whole kinds of things like how to make the lobster bisque from the Yachtsman Steakhouse. It also shows you how to do the sauteed greens and lentil stew from certain areas of Asia. It's a pretty awesome idea of making Disney food that's available in the parks and at the resorts. So we also got this cookbook. And finally, we got this cookbook called The Kitchen Magic with Mickey. And this is actually a Disney edition book, comes from the actual Disney company, and it's got recipes from the cruise ships as well as the parks, and it's got all kinds of things in it. It has even has some of the dishes from Aulani. So I guess I'm going to be doing some cooking shows on this channel soon. So look forward to having those recipes come up. If you want to see one of my own personal recipes, I mimicked the cheeseburger spring rolls. Made the recipe up completely on my own. It's on my channel. I'll also link that one. Check that one out too. But now we're going to make some more. Michelle also got this Hangry Pin, which is definitely her. She has a problem when she possibly gets hungry, and this Hangry Pin with anger on it from inside out is pretty cool, and so she's pretty excited about that pin. Both those pins, by the way, are Michelle's. She was just like, oh, you need to show my pins off. So I did. Some of you might have noticed in my regular videos that I have an old Horizons poster that sits in the background, because Horizons was actually one of the first rides I ever went on in Disney. I know that's weird, but I was 7 years old. I didn't know any better. My parents took me on Horizons, and I was so impressed I begged to go on it again, and again, and again. I literally wrote it over and over again. But another one of the first rides that I ever went on in Disney is also Spaceship Earth. And Michelle got me the sister poster to the Horizons poster with this awesome Spaceship Earth print. Just an amazing. I love Spaceship Earth, the music on it, the narration by Dame Judi Dench. I was really excited actually when they didn't do the renovation, because I was worried we were going to lose all that awesome stuff. I'm looking forward to the renovation, I guess, now, but I still love Spaceship Earth, and it's incredible. And I do miss the original versions of it, but I think the Judi Dench version is my favorite. But this great print is awesome, celebrating that ride. Finally, the last thing I'd like to share with you is this awesome shirt. It's got Mickey Mouse on it in his iridescent outfit, and it's got the Mary Blair artwork. And one of the things that I really like about it is that it's got the Walt Disney World logo right there on the front, and it's embroidered into the pocket. Just an amazing little addition to this great shirt. But I love the Mary Blair artwork and Mickey Mouse all over it in his iridescent outfit. So that's it. That is our amazing Disney haul from our amazing friends and family and between each other as gifts. It was actually quite a surprise for all of these things. I wasn't expecting to get so much Disney this year. I hope that you were able to have a happy holiday and able to spend it with whoever you wanted to spend it with. I really am glad that I'm able to spend this time with you. And again, I'm so grateful for you. Thanks for watching the Carousel of Douglas. Be ready for some more travel tips in the very near future. Oh, and like I always like to say, because I don't want to say goodbye, because I'm going to see you real soon. So, see you bye.